I haven't done a video in a while. Like, you got your new scooter, got delivered to your house from Ride the Wind Ebikes, and it's like, okay, what do I do next? So I'm going to go over how to first learn how to ride your electric scooter, electric motorcycle. They're all the same basic things, and that is getting used to the throttle. So when I get on and off of any bike, I always hold the brake. That way it's not moving. Then I'm going to turn on the bike. So this is your back brake and your front brake. The throttle is pretty darn sensitive. It's not, oh, hi Dasha, let's go for a ride, man. I always wanted to ride with you. Come on, let's go. You want to ride on the back? Here, there we go. There we go. So the throttle is on electric is not like gas. Some are more sensitive than others. But what I want you to do is get yourself in a roll to a straight place. And I want you to pull the gas, the throttle, as slowly as you can. And you'll slow, and I can feel the pull from the motor. And I want to get a nice, easy, consistent speed just walking with the bike. Because if you go like this, it's nerve-wracking, right? Nice and slow, and I mean slow as you possibly can. Then the next level is getting up to a higher speed and just lifting your feet, but doing a consistent throttle. So cute that Dash is on here. She's never done this before. She wants to make sure I'm okay. She's probably like, I gotta get off now. One of the most difficult things to do, I want you to get used to the throttle first, because once you're comfortable with that, then the next step is learning how to corner. You have to look at where you're going. So again, very slow speed. I want to corner here, so I look to where I'm going. If I look straight, I'll go straight. I want to go over here. And another thing too, because I used to ride motorcycles, is when you want to turn to the right, you actually push instead of pull with your right, you push with the left. You want to go to the left, you're actually pushing with the right. That probably just confused you more, but it's fact. And keep your feet down for as long as you need. This might take you half an hour. This might take you 3 days, 3 weeks. It doesn't matter. You're just taking your time and getting used to being propelled. And again, and I do pull both brakes at the same time when I come to a stop. So I think that's the best practice too. Use both. Is the throttle. See, if you go like this, that's scary. If you pull really softly, you're not feeling anything, not there, and now I feel a little bit, and progressively just get faster and faster. Again, turn. And the reason I could do that well is because I have really good throttle control. I'm not up and down and jerky. Nice slow throttle. And that's kind of the basics. Take it to a big parking lot if you want. Even walk it there. But really going straight, or here's another idea. I'll show you this. Okay, Dashy. We're going to put it on its center stand. Make sure the front wheel is down. And you can practice because the rear wheel is up. You can practice the throttle. Practice your braking. So practice that while it's on the stand. Right? So I hope that helps. Yeah, I hope that helps. Just take it easy on the throttle and take your time. And who cares what anybody thinks? Screw them all. You do you. Do your thing.